you guys, I'm back with the second part of this video. My video got cut short because I went over the maximum time limit for my recorder. And so the second half of the job is where I left off of, which was regulatory coordinator. It was $25 to $35 per hour for full-time position. Metasource is the name of the company. Scalable, adaptable, reliable is their motive. And for this job, you got benefits of dental insurance, health insurance, a referral program, and you have vision insurance as well. It's an 8-hour shift. It's a day shift job. It's Monday through Friday. It's no weekends. You don't have to work any weekends. And then they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role, and it's posted today. And the next job will be for the IT help desk support technician entry-level job, and it's for Spatial Front. This is the job that I left off of. Pardon me. So it's $25 to $35 per hour. It's full-time or part-time position. And if you want to, you can apply to this job. This job has the federal. Where do I start? Okay, Spatial Front Incorporated is the fast-growing small company providing IT solutions to federal, state, and local governments in the private sector. SFI is nationally recognized by Inc. magazine by being awarded the Inc. 5,000 award in 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. We pride ourselves on being one of the premier employers in the Virginia, Maryland, and DC area. SFI is an industry leader in delivering cutting-edge technology, technical solutions. All type of words are not in their sentence. I'm so sorry, guys. Technical solutions and mission support services that bring our customers' businesses to the forefront of the 21st century. Our corporate commitment to excellence in client services and product development means that our people are attentive, hands-on, and bring industry-leading expertise that will meet and exceed your needs in a straightforward, timely, and cost-effective manner. Every employee at SFI is a leader. We don't settle. We blaze our own path and inspire those around us into action. We motivate others to reach their full potential. To learn more about us, visit www.spatialfront.com, spatialfront.com. Yes, this job is hot because it's out. It's posted today, you guys. So if you want a full-time position job, it's $25 to $30 per hour. You can apply for this job. It is a day shift job. It's a let me see something. Okay, it's not a day shift job. I'm not certain what shift it is, but it is full-time and part-time, okay? So if you want to, you can apply, then maybe you can talk to the manager or your boss about what shift it is, okay? The next job is marketing coordinator for DISYS. DISYS. It's a digital intelligence systems job. That's the name of the company. It's DISYS. Its remote position is $30 to $32 per hour, full time, and you can apply now. If you have any of these qualifications, which is marketing for 1 year, is preferred. It's not required, but it is preferred. Full job description is responsible for third-party media buys in collaboration with the market development and regional teams, including SOW development, purchase order PO generation and execution, coordinate invoice payments, update marketing budgeting trackers, media purchasing, process standardization and documentation, support the marketing team with the management of marketing assets library, updates via content submissions and social content submissions. Complete project special assignments, other marketing operations and logistics support tasks and duties as assigned. It's an 8-hour shift and is a work from home remote job. And they're urgently hiring. They're hiring 6 candidates for this role and it's posted today. So apply, you guys. Apply. And you will be able to get the job that you need, mommies. Okay, this is a dispute. This next job is a dispute specialist from this company called Capital Staffing Solutions. It's based in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's a remote position. It's $17 an hour. It's a full-time position. And the qualifications of this job will be call center skills that you have, qualifications that you have, skills that you have to have it for 3 years for the call center. Skill is preferred, it's not required. And the benefits are 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off. And they even have the schedules that's available, the shifts that are available for you guys. Okay, it's a fully remote job. $17 per hour, all Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., 8:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m., 9 o'clock a.m. to 5:30 p.m., 10:30 a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m., 11:30 through 8 o'clock p.m. So the job summary is processes, card holder / merchant, dispute transaction with Visa, MasterCard, and federal rules and regulations. The duties and responsibilities, the general ones, are learns or remains current on Visa and MasterCard rules and regulations, federal and state regulations, and internal procedures that affect chargeback disputes processing. Handling all aspects of the dispute processes in compliance with Visa / MasterCard federal and state rules and regulations. Reviews researchers and initiates the resolution of the dispute inquiries from cardholders, financial institutes, merchants, and internal departments. And disputes that are not processed efficiently and effectively can result in financial loss of FIS and or merchants. So it has things you have to do, and they have like responsibilities, response to telephone inquiries for card holders, financial institutes, and merchant regarding disputes. They have different things you guys can look over. Meets the standards of the job, such as quality standards and adherence to the schedule. Your education requirements will be a high school diploma or GED is required for this role. And you have to have general knowledge of Visa and MasterCard operating rules and regulations and federal and state regulations. Knowledge of processes and procedures that affect credit, debit, and prepaid debit dispute processing. Excellent customer service skills that build high levels of customer satisfaction. Effective verbal and written communication skills. Computer navigation and operation skills. Detail-oriented and good organizational skills. Ability to manage multiple tasks. Ability to work both independently and in a team environment. Ability to maintain confidentiality. So this is the benefits of 401k plan, like I said before, and the dental insurance and the health insurance and paid time off. Can't say those enough. The benefits are wonderful and great for this job. And if you want to, it's posted 3 days ago. They're hiring a total of 10 plus candidates for this role. So jump on it. If you guys like it, and get into it. This is the job right here. Hold on a second. So this is a whole different job. Collections account representative remote. Okay, this job is also from from Indeed, MUFG, America's Careers. So the job that is hired, well, the position that this job is hired for is a collections account representative, remote job, and it's full time. Date posted was July the 6th of 2022, and location is Temp AZ, which is Arizona, and San Diego, California. Now, they have the job summary right here. We're seeking a collections account representative to minimize bank losses by collecting on more complex and specialized delinquent accounts by telephone or written correspondence while effectively following the guidelines of the Fair Debt Collections Practice Act. And your job responsibilities will be to collect on all types of delinquent accounts, i.e. consumer loans and lines, auto, lease, and operational losses in an effort to prevent them from escalating to charge-off. Obtain reason of delinquency and offer alternative solutions to resolve delinquency, e.g. referral to consumer credit counseling services, due date changes, deferrals, short-term repayment plans, verify, update, and maintain customer demographics, e.g. home address and telephone number, business address and telephone number, cellular telephone numbers, or other contact numbers, effectively manage work queues, keeping them up to date, and document all collection activities. So yes, this job is a great deal. And the qualifications: 3 to 5 years experience in collections, preferably in real estate, secured portfolios, extensive collections experience, including work in a fast-paced dollar environment, strong negotiation, problem-solving, and analytical and oral and written communication skills, experience in Microsoft Word, Excel, Internet Explorer, and Noble Dollar web-based application, along with knowledge of GSE and FHA collections, knowledge of FD, CPA, and TCPA, and state and federal regulations and departmental policies and procedures. High school diploma or GED is a requirement. So you can apply, and they have reasonable accommodations for people with disabilities, and that's a great job because EOE is an equal opportunity employer. And these are the laws and everything that they have down here. The transparency, pay transparency, the no discrimination provision, they have all these great things. And the privacy policy, the California privacy, all that great stuff. Employee Polygraph Protection Act. Yes, these are all the information on this job. Now, this is the last job that we are going to talk about. It is called Teleperformance. Has these jobs. This job position: work at home, remote customer care representative. Number of open offerings, they have 15, and the client's operations, the category. Overview: the Teleperformance is the world leader in customer experience management. You can be a part of a team that's connected the biggest and the most respected brands on the planet with their customers by providing customer care, technical support, customer acquisition, digital solutions, analytics, back office, and other specialized services to ensure positive customer service experience. We are the largest interaction expert team in the market, connected with more than 35% of the world population each year. And the employee referral, you get $500 for every referral that you get hired onto with Teleperformance. And this is qualification: a minimum of 1 year call center experience, and you have to have a high school diploma or GED. That's a qualification for this job. You have to have that. That's a requirement. Excellent active listener, excellent verbal and written skills in both French and English. Must be 18 years old of age. And that's it for this video, you guys. Hopefully this finds you well, and I hope you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below. Till next time. Bye-bye.